What the heck is SEO? Metadata, backlinks, schema. There are over 200 different ranking factors that can affect your SEO campaign. But I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to explain exactly what SEO is and how you can use it to grow your brand and build your business in Melbourne. So what is SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's a technique that we use to help rank your website in search engines like Google or Bing. The higher you rank on those search engines, the more chance you have of getting potential customers to see and click on your website. SEO can be divided into two different strategies, your on-page and your off-page. As the name suggests, on-page SEO is everything that you can do on your website to affect rankings, whereas off-page SEO is all about building your website's authority through other websites. For your on-page SEO strategy, you need to make sure that you're talking to both your potential clients or customers, but also to the search engine crawlers. You want to give your customers a really good user experience, making sure they can find what it is they're looking for by having a really clear navigation system and a great flow to your website. Search engine crawlers, on the other hand, are going to check on-page titles, headings, how fast your site is, and whether it is mobile responsive. All of these technical elements make up your on-page SEO and help you to rank on the top of search engine results. Off-page SEO, as mentioned before, is all about building your authority through other websites by using your content, such as guest blogging or publishing content in news articles, with the purpose to build your credibility and expertise. By doing so, you create backlinks to your site, telling search engines that you are trustworthy and kind of a big deal. This builds your domain's authority and ultimately generates leads and increases your rankings. Whether it's on-page or off-page SEO, having really good content is critical. Having a clear content marketing strategy that accompanies your SEO strategy is essential to really drive traffic to your site and build authority for your business. Hope you got lots of value from this video and that you learned a little bit about SEO. If you want to learn a little bit more, feel free to give the team at Dilate Digital a call.